Hello students, welcome to P Square Circle Pathshala. Today we'll start with the chapter number 1, that is sets. What is a set? Set is a collection of objects. For an example, favorite teachers, smart students, rich people, happy people. You can see that in this all the examples the answers from each student will differ. Means you will not get common answer. That means the answer will vary. So these are not the example of a set of collection of objects. So what is a set? Set is nothing but a well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined means the answer will never change. So for an example, days of a week, whole numbers and etc. So days of a week will never change. Similarly, whole numbers less than 10 will never change. So these are the answers that will not differ from any student. So set is a well-defined collection of objects. Next, we will see how to write a set. So there are two ways of writing a set. First one is roster form or listing method. Next one is set builder form or rule method. So let us start with the roster form, that is listing method. Let us understand with the example. Set of natural numbers less than 5. So as we know, less than 5, there are only 4 numbers, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this answer is nothing but the element of an answer. Now, how to write a set? So there are some rules that you have to follow while writing in listing method. First one, elements are separated by commas. So this all the elements we will separate with the commas. Next, we will write each elements in curly bracket. Next, we will denote it with the name of a set with the capital letter. That is, I will assume here A. Now, this A set, I will write it as 4, 3, 2, 1. So what I've done? I've done the, I've changed the order. That means I've reversed the elements. So in a set, order of elements doesn't matter. So you can write in any order whatever you want, but answer should be same. Next one, if I write the set as 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'm doing here? Here I'm changing the elements. That means I have repeated the elements. So in a set, repetition of elements is not allowed. So you have to write only one element only one time. So this thing is not possible in a set. So these are the rules that you have to follow while writing in listing method. So let us start with the practice set 1.1 question number 1. We have to write the sets in our roster form. Roster form is nothing but listing method. So we have to write down the elements for the given question in a set. First one, we have to write set of all even numbers. Even numbers means the numbers which are multiple of 2. That is 2, 3, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So we don't know how many even numbers we have to write. So that's why we have kept dots. Next, we have to write set of all even prime numbers from 1 to 50. Now we have to write prime numbers. Prime numbers means the number which is divisible by itself or 1. So the numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. But we want only prime number. So prime number which is even number, that is nothing but only 2. So we'll write only 2 within curly bracket. Next one, we have to write set of negative integers. So the numbers which are negative, we have to write it, that is -1, -2, -3 and so on. Next one, 7 basic sounds of a sorghum. So basic sounds of a sorghum are sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. Sa is going to repeat, so I have written only once. Next question is we have to write all months in the Indian solar year. Indian solar year months we have to write, that is Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyesht, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadra, Ashwin, Kartik, Agrahan, Paush, Magh, and Falgun. So these are the 12 months in a Indian solar years. Letters in the word complement. We have to write only letters from this word. So remember, we have to write down the letters only once. Those letters which are going to repeat, we will not write. So the letters are C, O, M, P, L, E. Now you can see that M and E is repeated. So we will not write. So we will write directly N and T. So this is how we have to write the elements. Next, set of human sensory organs. As you know, you have done in the science also. What are the human sensory organs? Yes, there are only five sensory organs. Those are eyes, ears, tongue, skin, and nose. Next one, set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. As we know, prime numbers are nothing but the number which are divisible by itself or 1. Those are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Next one, names of continents of the world. So you know that in the geography also you have learned what are the continents of the world. Yes, there are 7 continents. Those are Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, and South America. So these are the examples, or these are the sums based on listing method or roster form. So you have to follow rules while writing in listing method, and you have to do the practice. Thank you so much.